We're at 5409 South Branch Road, Fredericksburg, Virginia, for a repair attempt on this wind damaged shingle. Notice we don't lift the shingle any more than 45 degrees. Notice as we attempted to remove the shingle directly above, just follow this crease line here, start to crease. They're extremely brittle and they start to crack. Follow that kind of line all the way across. This roof is unrepairable. You can see that there. Extreme granular loss too. Again, the roof is unrepairable at this point.